Here is how to make a Peruvian apple plantable pencil. You will need scissors, a pencil, a piece of paper cut to about the size of a business card, some seeds and a wet cocktail stick, and of course the plant you're looking for. Okay, so what we do first is we take a pencil, any pencil will do. You simply place it like this and roll it. Like so. I write the label on it already so that I know what I'm planting. See? And I have a little space in the top. So I then can take some seeds from my cocktail stick, and I put it in my mouth to wet it. Then I take my seeds, it's about 5 seeds, and I put them inside like so. And then I use my scissors like so. And there you have it. A Peruvian apple plantable pencil. See? Have a try at home. It's really fun.